What's going on, guys? It's your girl Talia Jeanette. Welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be like probably one of the quickest videos that will be on my channel. So usually, you guys see I'm putting on makeup. So this video is going to be how I take off my makeup and my skincare routine that I'm trying to better. So let's get started. So I don't have like my whole gimmick going tonight because it's literally 12:32 in New York City. I have been up since 5 a.m. yesterday. So, and I'm just coming in from my line sister's birthday. So when I take my makeup off, I have on foundation and I have a lot of glitter on my eyes. Makeup wipes will be your best friends. I like the Cetaphil, however you pronounce it. Their makeup wipes. So I usually use either this pack, which is the actual makeup wipes, or I use the blue ones. This is the cleansing cloth. They both get the task at hand done. Some people claim they only need one makeup wipe. I feel that most of the time that's a lie. I go about 2 or 3 of these in a shot, and I usually start with my eyes because that's usually where the bulk of my problem is. And I just put it there for a few seconds. And guys, please be careful when you're taking off your eye makeup. Like, don't tug your eyes, don't pull at your eyelids, because that's what causes wrinkles. And you see how in a few slight wipes, and I had on red eyeshadow, guys. That's just eye makeup, so same gimmick. And yes, that is a picture of Finn Balor on my wall. If anybody knows me, I love me some Finn Balor. Some Prince David. Love him. So once I get my eye makeup going, I'll start worrying about the rest of my face. Guys, this is still one cloth that I used, so. And I'm having a really bad bout of acne at the moment. Like, my face has been breaking out severely for like the past few weeks, and it's not cute, but you know what, that NYX foundation that I had in my last review, it got the job done, guys. It covered everything tonight. So I'm gonna just grab one more wipe, and like I said, it's just late, so like I didn't feel up putting up the whole gimmick for YouTube tonight. I may not even fully edit this video. This just might get put up tonight or tomorrow. You guys see all this acne on my cheeks, my chin. I eat a lot of dairy, guys. Like, I love cheese. I ate so much mac and cheese for Thanksgiving. I love milk. I love ice cream. Let me take off the lipstick. And I also made the cardinal sin over the Thanksgiving break. I was drinking Pepsi, which Pepsi will do it to my skin as well. And I instantly regret any time I drink a Pepsi at this point in life now. Alright, so now probably 90% of my makeup is off, and it only took 2 cloths, which is good. It's a good makeup day then, guys, when I only need 2 cloths. And then I promise for this next step, I'll give you guys better lighting. Way better lighting. Alright, let's get into part 2. Okay, so first up, we're going to use the Cetaphil cleanser 3 to 4, maybe 5 pumps. You can see I'm pumping here. And you can use this either on a wet face or a dry face. My face was already wet, and then we just rub, rub, rub. Make sure you get all over. And this stuff, it doesn't foam up, guys. Like, this isn't a traditional cleanser where it's going to give you a ton of suds and lather. This formula you also can use all over your body, which is pretty awesome. And I love this stuff. Like, and this bottle has lasted me a couple of months now, so haven't replaced it yet. And then I have an one of those makeup washcloths that it's supposed to take off your makeup with no issue. So I just use that and start removing any product. Now, depending on how heavy the makeup day is, I may have to do this 2, maybe 3 times with the Cetaphil cleanser. But this particular night, it wasn't that heavy of a night for makeup. So, and then just making sure I get around my eyes to get all that glitter and that eyeshadow off, because reds and pinks will stain your face, ladies. It will stain your eyes something terrible. And I didn't put a primer or a base down underneath of this makeup look for tonight, so my eyes were really, really stained. But again, just gently wiping my eyes, getting all that glitter and glue off, wiping all over. And I use warm water to wash my makeup off. Hot water is a no-go, guys. Major no-go for the face. Okay, so for part 3 of this video, I'm going to give you guys a little bit of light so you can see what I do. So normally, after I have makeup on, I would do a mask, but it's almost 1 a.m. and I have to be to work in a few hours. So we're going to completely blow past a mask and going to reach for some type of moisture. I lied. We're going to do some toner. So we're going to do the Waterfall toner from Fourth Ray in Colourpop. So I just take a cotton pad, swab, whatever you have, and we just whoop, all over the cotton pad, and then just wipe, wipe, wipe all over. This smells so good. I wouldn't be able to describe to you guys what it smells like, but it just smells really clean. And this is probably one of the first toners I've ever used that it doesn't have like an alcohol-y feeling to it, you guys. Like my face, this acne, let me take these earrings off too. This is just scarring upon scarring now at this point. Like, I'm getting acne like a teenager, guys. Alright, so once we are done there, now for moisturizer. So I have a ton of options, but we're going to keep it light for the evening. And we're going to use the Fourth Ray Watermelon Face Milk. This smells amazing, guys. Oh my god. So I usually go here with it. And then you know what we're also going to do? We're going to use the coconut one as well. Somewhere down below there will be what each of these do, because they're not the same thing. Like, each has its own properties of what it's supposed to do. So I might have used too much too, Lord mercy. God, guys, I gotta do better. So just rub, rub, rub this in. And yes, guys, my wig is sliding back and coming off. I'm going to take my hair off in a little bit. All right, so once we have face milk on, we're gonna go in with the Fourth Ray. This is not a sponsored video. It needs to be though. The Rainfall 2% hyaluronic acid. I was using this before their hydrating collection came out. And I figured once my skin regimen is down, my skin will respond to everything better. I just put this on top of it to just seal everything in. And I love this because it doesn't feel greasy. Like my face doesn't feel greasy or oily at all. And that completes my makeup removal and pretty much my skin routine, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video.